Over 800 years ago, St. Francis heard the Lord speak, "Rebuild my church," which, Francis, you can see is falling into ruins around you. And this invitation has guided Franciscans ever since. Over 75 years ago, the Franciscan friars Third Order Regular continued the mission here in Steubenville, Ohio. We are responding to the promptings of the Holy Spirit and to the invitation of the Lord to rebuild the church. From our humble downtown campus to our hilltop campus, now to the world, Franciscan University has followed Christ's call to form joyful disciples and to take the mission of the gospel wherever He leads us. We continue to discern what it means for us to rebuild the church. In December of 2021, it was my great joy to announce our new capital campaign, the Rebuild My Church $75 million campaign. In nearly 24 months, the Lord has tremendously blessed us with so many graces. I have been blessed to be able to meet with donors who want to support the mission of Franciscan University. At this point, we have already surpassed our $75 million goal. And one of the things that I've experienced over the last 6 or 8 months is that the Lord is inviting us to more. I find that hard to believe because we've already done more than we've ever imagined. But I think the Lord is asking something more of us. That's why I'm excited to be able to announce that Franciscan University is going to expand its $75 million campaign. So what is the Lord calling us to do? Jesus is calling us to grow our sacramental life on campus with the expansion and the renovation of Christ the King Chapel. For over 50 years now, Christ the King has been the center of our campus. And for years to come, the expanded and renovated Christ the King Chapel will welcome more conversion, more healing, more forgiveness, more students, more of God's grace present to our campus. Jesus is calling us to extend our footprint to other parts of our country, creating new opportunities for our students to engage the culture in hospitals, in boardrooms, in classrooms, in legislatures, in parishes, and in the streets. The question I probably get more than any other question is, what is God doing at Franciscan University? What's going on there? Well, I invite you to come and see.